having a puppy at home can be something, it's a mix of pleasure and a lot of work as well. It requires that you need to be teaching your dog a lot of new things. You can't just expect that your dog will know how to live in our human world. So they have to adjust, and we need to be continuous teaching the dog. So I've got a garden in my house, and my dog can play in the garden and can poo and wee in the garden, but sometimes they still do at home inside the house. I have pads in the house, you know. I even bought like a huge box of pads so to use to train, but unfortunately the areas that I have carpet in the house, it doesn't remain cleaned all the time. Of course, because she's still learning, she's still being trained. And I bought this product, which I believe is gonna make a massive difference. It's a rug cleaner, specially developed for pets. I don't know yet, I haven't used, but before I buy, I have read the reviews, and everyone is giving a lot of compliments. So I hope it will be a good acquisition in my house. Yeah, my house now is like, it's toys everywhere. There is her food area. What can I say? Like I said, it's a mix of pleasure and also a lot of work. But we will get there. Things will improve. Oh, and I'm not gonna forget, I'm also reading this book, and I hope it will be very handy and very helpful for me. And like in the book says, you know, when you get a puppy, this puppy, it will be in the future a pleasure or a pain. I want my puppy to be a pleasure for sure. So yeah, that's the time that we will really need to be working, let's say, a bit hard. Bye for now.